Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your texture in Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, let's jump into it. Firstly, as you can see, I'm on the main page here. Let's just click in this on this blue button called Photo Editor. Here you have to choose a photo which you would like to edit. I'm going to choose this random with a tattoo. At the bottom you have these different buttons. They're all different things. We're going to click on adjustment. Okay. Here we're going to click on color. Sorry, effect. Yes, effects. And here you have the texture. Click on that. And here you have this thing which you can adjust. And it changes your texture. It can be really smooth or really harsh. You can play with it as much as you would like. Yeah, it has some room to play with. Okay, guys, that's how you adjust your texture. See you in the next one.